Hello guys, hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career, and I also help students appearing for CFA and FRM exam. Now I'm back with one small video talking about the exam registration for 2023 year. Now we have a May 2023 exam. Okay, the exam is similar to what we had in the previous year. The early bird registration fee is around $600, and the early bird is going to start from 1st of December till end of January and 31st. Okay, and the standard fee is around $800. It is going to start from 1st of Feb till the March end. Okay, now over here, as a student, you have to remember that if you're a level 1 student, you have to pay $400 extra for a one-time registration fee. Now the level 1 exam for May is going to be from 6th to 19th. Okay, for around 14-day window. For level 2, it is going to be starting immediately, that's 20th to 29th, and it's going to be around 7-day window. The August exam, that's a very interesting change over here. Previously, the August exam was added to accommodate for people who could not go for the May exam because of COVID restrictions and all of that. But now they have come up with a proper August exam for both level 1 and level 2. The pricing is still the same. Early bird is $600, but it is going to start from 1st of March till the end of April. And the standard registration is going to be from 1st of May till the end of June. And the interesting part about the August exam is that the window is going to be only one day. It's going to be a morning and the evening exam. The morning exam is explicitly for level 1 students, and the evening or the PM exam is going to be for level 2. So it's only one day. There is no slot that you can choose. There is no variety of dates available for August exam. The next exam is going to be then the November exam. We had this slot in the last year also. The pricing is still the same. It is the $600 fees for the early bird registration, and the registration is going to start from 1st of May till the end of July. And the standard registration primarily, it is going to be around $800. It's going to start from 1st of August till the end of September. Okay, that's the end of the standard registration window. And the exam scheduling part, so you can schedule your FRM level 1 for November exam from around 4th till 17th of November. And it's a 14-day window, again similar, but for level 2 it is going to be from 18th to 24th, again 7-day window. So these are the 3 different exams for FRM it is going to get conducted, okay, for both level 1 and level 2. The major change that you have to remember is that for level 2, okay, previously it was May and November only. Now August is also open for them as a window. So that is a very interesting change, and I am sure this is going to be very helpful for a lot of students who wish to go for the August exam also for FRM level 2. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this video helps you in your understanding about the exam. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friend, in your groups, in your Telegram channels, everywhere. Thank you very much.